Good morning, happy weekend. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here again in the mall. I want to watch Zumba, but I'm already late because I'm doing something important in the house. I have important document need to get online. Philippine document. So, this is what I like in this mall. In the mall. Okay. Happy weekend everyone. Enjoy your weekend. Later we have fellowship meeting. Afternoon. Just checking need to check something inside the mall. Then later, little while need to go out also. Anyway, I hope today later afternoon I won't receive any alert because I need to go to the church. We have fellowship meeting and then going to the church at night. You see, if you are tourist here, you can buy in this mall souvenir. UAE souvenir. They're selling so many souvenir, UAE souvenir here in this mall. This is the entrance is Lulu Supermarket. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, suggestion in your car. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.